Ladies and gentlemen, Greg McCloskey from ForexLive.com. This is a Forex quick look. On take a look at the dollar versus Canada. So let's get started. The dollar has been moving lower in the North American session, and in the process for this currency pair, the price broke below this swing area here. The swing area on the 4-hour chart represents a number of different swing highs through here that form this ceiling level in between the 1.3526 and 1.3542 level. In trading earlier this week, the price moved above that level on the CPI data in the U.S., and then we came down and we retested the low near the low of the swing area in trading yesterday, and in trading here today, though the price has broken below that level, and that turned the buyers to sellers, and the price has continued its move to the downside. Also of note is that the price failed above its 100-day moving average. That's the blue line in this chart. That was the first break above the 100-day moving average since going back to this point right here near mid-December. So failure above the 100-day moving average. We also failed to hold above the 50% retracement of the move down from the this high right here, going back to, I guess, the end of October. Actually early November 1st, to the low price that we saw in December. That 50% comes in at 1.3537. So all those things were broken back to the downside after breaking above it on Tuesday, and that turned the buyers into sellers. So what now? Well, you see these two moving averages here. These two moving averages represent, first, the higher one is the 200-day moving average. That's a green line in this chart. And you can see it's been going sideways through here. We also are looking to test the 100-bar moving average on the 4-hour chart. That comes in at 1.3468. The price has moved in between those two moving averages, and it's found initial buyers. Well, you could say near the 200-day moving average and above the 100-bar moving average on the 4-hour chart. So we have moved back to the upside, and we're currently testing these high swing highs from last week at 134.92. Probably a move above the 135 level would not be something that we'd want to see in the dollar versus Canada, just being a natural resistance level at that level in the short term. But what we're seeing today is the buyers turning to sellers and a retracement, of a lot of the CPI gain as we saw on Tuesday in the dollar versus Canada. We'll see if the momentum can continue, but we need to break below the 200-day moving average, break below the 100-bar moving average on the 4-hour chart. My name is Greg McCloskey. Good fortune with your trading. Bye-bye now.